for the sound meditation, there are 2 steps. One, how to listen to sound. Second, sound meditation. Okay? So first, how to listen to sound. Now, please listen to the sound. So can you hear? Everybody? If you can hear this sound, raise your hand. Now you know how to listen. So the first step is finished. And should I teach you second step? Second step has one big secret. So, should I tell you the secret? The secret is sound meditation is already done. Finish. You understand or no?